came to Pabal, which is around 50 kilometers from Pune, and this experience of actually staying here was a build-up to the nature of the competition. It's in the little things. Allotted timings for breakfast, lunch and dinner, the prayers in the morning, the meditation in the evening, the recital of the national anthem and a patriotic prayer just after breakfast. All of this builds up to get you into a mindset to actually solve the problems here. I had an image of what the Indian farmer is like, and that image did a complete 180 when I came here.
We used to do projects based on the data that is available on the internet, and we were not sure about what the real pain of the user is.
Even though I come from kind of a small town area, I really never interacted with the farmer.
Coming to those farms, interacting with the farmers and seeing the problems from a very first person point of view really showed me how deep those problems are, and that really motivates me to solve them.
For the first time, we are not finding a problem statement from the chat GPT and solving it.
This time it was more of like it's our problem statement and we are solving it by us.
Our thought process, like me and my teammates are like, okay, now we need to solve this problem because we are programmed to do this. Find a problem, solve the problem, find a problem, solve the problem without understanding the problem. So when we came here, all the staff of the Vigyan Ashram, they started teaching us the methodology, how to understand the problem. At first I thought I understand the problem fully, why I need to attend this session? But as they going further, then I understand, okay, I'm not able to understand the problem fully on myself because I have not experienced that. So there are many things I miss out.
When we think of any problem, we immediately think of a very natural or a quick solution to the problem, which might or might not be the solution that is needed. So this process taught me to actually drill down on the problem.
So Vigyan Ashram taught us the value of empathy. The way we look at problems is usually from our point of view, but we should look at the problems from the shoes of those who are facing it regularly.
You should remove your all biases while thinking about the problem and think of the problem neutrally.
We were working on a polyhouse. We saw there some problems when we discussed with the faculty over Vigyan Ashram. So we got many new perspectives to it. I am studying some bit of physics, some bit of biochemistry, organic chemistry for that problem that we saw. To understand the problem, to define the problem, we are going multidisciplinary.
Vigyan Ashram and their projects really showcase that how using the simplest science principles can solve the solution in the most effective way. Learning that was truly an eye-opening experience for me.
They showed us the solar dryer, and it is not that they have made it by doing some literature review, but they have gone to the farmers, understood their real issues and made the machines, and also have taken reviews from the farmers. That's a whole new approach. It really took us out of the comfort zone towards the learning zone. Here we learned the value of discipline, how the potential can be utilized in the best way through discipline.
As I expected, e-Yantra did its best way in experiencing the rural area again.
Due to the e-Yantra experience, as an engineer we evolved. It is the never-ending process of becoming a good engineer. e-Yantra gave us a mindset to walk on that engineering path.
The eIPL is actually something I believe will help me in developing myself towards actually identifying problems around me, because obviously the whole purpose of engineering is to solve problems and make life easier for everyone.
The eIPL program really gives me a way to apply everything that I have learned to something meaningful.
This has been a life-changing experience.
Past 4 days have been an eye-opener for me. From the experiences I have, the places I've visited, even the food I've had, it's something that I would not have done otherwise. I mean, I stepped out of my comfort zone. This was one of the best experiences I've had.
It's a really great experience that I don't think I will get somewhere else.
For me, e-Yantra is equivalent to innovation and creativity and engineering and building something that actually matters and something that will create an impact.